So let's see today's delicious recipe of chicken fingers and tartar sauce. So let's start by making the chicken fingers first, which is super simple. So here in a large bowl, I've taken 200 grams of chicken and I've cut them up into long strips. So this is boneless chicken breast. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Next goes in some salt to taste. Next will be 1.5 teaspoon of pepper powder. Two teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, or you can also use paprika. 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. And now just mix everything really well. Ensure that all the pieces of the chicken, all the strips are nicely coated with all of the ingredients that we've just added. You can do this with a spoon, or you can even get your fingers in there and do that. And mix it up really well. Let's see that it's all coated with all of the ingredients. And now we're just going to refrigerate this for minimum 30 minutes. Otherwise, you can keep it in your refrigerator, and whenever you're ready to make the chicken fingers, you can just take them out. And now I'm just going to heat some oil in my pan for deep frying these chicken fingers. And once they're ready, you're just going to put them in the hot oil. Keep your flame between low and medium. And let them really fry well and crisp up really nicely. And once they're done on one side, you can just turn them onto the other side and fry the other side well too. So we want them to be really nice and crispy and crunchy. And once they're nicely fried, you're just going to take them out and put them on a steel sieve like this with a plate below. Don't put them on any kitchen napkin, that way they won't remain crunchy and crisp. So put them onto a sieve, or if you have any pizza, kind of a tray which has a kind of a colander style to it, you can put it on that. And you're going to serve this nice and hot with some chilled tartar sauce. And this tartar sauce also is super simple to prepare. So here I've taken a bowl to which I've added half a cup of mayonnaise. Now you can use pure veg mayonnaise, or you can use the classic mayonnaise which has egg in it. Next, I've taken 1 onion which I've chopped extremely fine. It has to be really, really fine. So mince it up really fine. 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce or Worcestershire sauce. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Now you can always adjust it as per your taste. Some salt to taste. And 1 tablespoon of finely chopped jalapenos along with the rind. 1 teaspoon of English mustard. And now all you have to do is just mix all of these ingredients really well together. Do give it a taste, and you can adjust it according to your taste. Refrigerate this and serve this chilled. So you can even serve this with some fish fingers, or even use it as a dip with chips or French fries. So I hope you like today's recipes, and I hope you do give them a try. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in my next video. This is Akshita signing off. Bye.